Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm really excited because I'm about to unbox a car that we got for ourselves. This is my dream machine. Behold, the Jeep Wrangler Rock Climber. Look at this front bumper, just incredible. And check out the drivetrain, so powerful. What a strong structure. This is built to last. And look at this massive tire. Just awesome. I absolutely love it. Now, to be specific, MJX technique makes this car, and it features a brushless motor, so it's super efficient. This entire model is part of the HyperGo series. It's a 1:12 scale, perfectly balanced for my needs. It says 14 plus, but we all know who's really excited about this. This is a car that's built to excite and impress. I am pushing the box forward to see the other side of the box. Inside, we have a metal steering servo, solid and precise. And right here, the waterproof box receiver keeps all the electronics safe, even in the toughest conditions. And then all-terrain tires designed to conquer rocks, mud, and sand. And these metal oil-filled shocks, they respond to every bump. Now let's flip the box. Yeah, this is the 4-channel transmitter. And the aluminum alloy body is not just strong, it's a testament to durability. Now, I will turn the box around to show more about the drivetrain. This is a full metal drivetrain, built with a portal axle and locked differentials in the front, center, and rear. And as you see, the box checked, we have the silver H12Y+. I will move the box to open the lid. Much better. Now, lift. Now, stay open. I will use my foot. It is heavy. I will keep the box open. Perfect. It's a manual. Let's take it out. This contains information on drivetrain and other things, I hope. Now, let's take it out. Time for the main event. Come out of there. Come on. Finally, these side supports are just for transport. This first one is easy. Gone. But this second one is a treasure chest. All the accessories are hidden inside. Out you go. Let me climb up here and get rid of this plastic skin. Out of my way. Wow, what an amazing truck. Look at these wide tires. These plastic off-roading bumpers. Wow. Let me check the underbody. Everything is so cool down here. It's metal everywhere. It even has portal axles for higher ground clearance. Look at those LED headlights. And real working turn indicators. Yeah. Time to see what makes this monster crawl. Let's open the hood. To get a better look, I need to get up there. I can see the steering servo, and it's all metal. BLDCFOC Mora. That's serious stuff. Now, let's check other things. Look at the detail. Even the mirrors fold in. Good for when the trails get tight. The interior is solid plastic, and check out this roll cage. It's built to take a hit and keep the driver safe. It looks sexy from back here. A full, usable spare wheel, and I can see the waterproof receiver tucked away. Even the taillights and rear indicators are working. They say this body is an aluminum alloy. Let's test that. Strong. Now the hood. Solid. This machine is ready for anything.
Hey, congratulations. I saw the crate from afar.
Manny, good. You are here. It is an amazing machine.
I bet. That silver body looks incredible. So, what's left to do? Are we ready to roll?
Almost. We still have to open the accessories box.
Say no more. 2 sets of hands are better than 1. Let's get this thing open. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good. Now, same as before, I place my favorite food here to hold the lid.
Haha, whatever works. All right, let's see what's inside. Time to pull out the gear. Wow, I think it's the remote. I will take the cover out. There it goes. Hey, can you straighten it up?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Good. You handle the technical details. Meanwhile, I will keep pulling the rest of the gear.
All right, check this out. 4-channel transmitter. This wheel here, that's steering. And this trigger on the bottom works just like a gun. That's the throttle. I am only able to climb up here because I'm skinny. Now look at these channels. This first one at the top is for a winch attachment. The next one down is a light control switch. Then we got our main power toggle right here. Now, these 4 analog controls are the real secret. The top 2 are steering and throttle trims. The bottom 2 control the steering angle limit and throttle control.
Impressive. While you were talking, I pulled out the rest of the supplies.
Perfect timing. Let's get in there and see what else we've got to work with. Check this out. Our first pack of accessories. Extra suspension springs for the oil-filled shocks. We've got 2 sets here.
And look what I found. A full extra set of wheels. They are identical to the spare on the back.
Smart move. And here's the lifeline. The charger for our lithium-ion battery.
We also have a maintenance kit.
Man, this car is incredible. It comes packed with features, accessories, and all the spares you could actually need.
We have covered the basics. Our boss will elaborate on every technical detail in the next video.
That's right. Stay tuned for the full technical deep dive. We hope you enjoyed our unboxing.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.
See you later.